Afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb here. 2014 government past question. Question number 21 says, in the pre-colonial Hausa political system, the Madawaki performed the function of dash. In the pre-colonial Hausa political system, the Madawaki performed the functions of Dadatish. What was that is the role of Madawaki? So option A say Minister of Education, Minister of Defense, Minister of Interior, Minister of Works. So the role of the Madawaki in the Hausa pre-colonial system was defense. So it means to defense the Hausa territory. So option B is correct. Thank you, and ensure you subscribe for more videos.